Hi there, it's Kara here from the GoodX team, and today I'll be showing you just how quick and easy it is to share theatre lists with your surgical team, regardless of them being a GoodX client or not. In the past, communication between surgical teams were hindered if not everyone used the same system. But as of today, that will no longer be an issue, with GrandXChange proudly bridging this gap. Let's take a look at how this process would work once implemented. First things first, let's hop on over to the Theatre Manager where we're going to set up our list. For this example, our surgeon won't be a GoodX client, so we're going to quickly enter their details manually. However, the anesthesiologist's information can conveniently be found on Medibase since they are registered with MedPages. Therefore, we're going to quickly and easily import their details. Now that our surgical team has been set up, let's complete and save the list. Since the anesthesiologist is a GoodX client, the theatre list will conveniently display on their diary screen. This way, all the anesthesiologist has to do is keep an eye on their diary, and they don't have to be worried about not being kept in a loop or losing vital information. If the surgeon were to be a GoodX client, all they would have to do is simply add and complete the operation details from their web, which will automatically sync to all team members involved. Now, for the surgeon who is not a GoodX client, the process will differ when using GrandXChange. We have developed this exciting new system so that non-GoodX clients are also kept informed, ensuring that no one is left behind. As soon as the theatre list has been created, all team members involved will receive an email to the email addresses provided. This also applies to when new operations have been created. All they have to do is simply click on the link, and then all of the theatre list information, as well as their surgical team's details, will display before them. And that's all there is to it. No login is even required. When it comes to actually adding operations to the theatre list, the process is just as easy. All that has to be done is add a new operation and then complete the necessary operation details. Please be advised that only the surgeon will be able to add operations and make changes through GrandXChange. However, any team members can make changes through GoodX Web. The linked anesthesiologist will also have easy access to the operation details and will fill in all of the necessary anesthesiology fields when required. A notes section is available where you're able to add any additional information such as requests, clinical details, and admin notes. Anything entered into the requests or additional requirements text box will conveniently display on the operation booking on the GoodX diary screen. The clinical and admin notes will appear on the operation details screen. Finally, the surgeon will add the data and patient's information into the necessary fields. If the data is the patient, there is a very convenient button available to copy all of the data's information over to the patient section with just one click. Be sure to save the changes made, and all of this new information will be synced automatically to the anesthesiologist's diary. Over here on the operation booking, you can see the notes we made in the requests or additional requirements text box. And when you click to view the operation, the clinical and admin notes will display here. If necessary, notes made on this operation details screen will also reflect on the operation details screen of the non-GoodX client. Once again, promoting clear and open communication for all.